The Manfrotto 244 RC Magic Arm is one of the most useful pieces of equipment that no one ever told me about. You can use it in so many ways to mount cameras, lights, flashes, microphones, monitors, recorders, and more. It supports 8 pounds and can be articulated however you need it. To use the arm, you will need a super clamp or a gobo head that can accept a stud mount. The Manfrotto 035 is perfect for this. Just insert the stud into the clamp and tighten the clamp. Then you can adjust the 244 forward, backwards, up, and down. Each head has a ball with a notch, and you can rotate the various pieces to articulate it in a variety of ways. This magic arm makes for a great POV shot, top-down shot, side angle shot working on a table. You could use it to hold a microphone in place, to put a video monitor where you need it, or just to attach extra gear to a tripod if you don't want it to be mounted on your camera. The 244 RC features the Manfrotto RC2 quick release system. Technically, you can remove the RC head, but it's put on with Loctite, so you'll have to work hard to remove it. The RC2 quick release system is super easy to use, and it has a safety lever to keep anything from accidentally falling off if you hit the lever. The arm is incredibly adjustable and easy to tighten down with the oversized knob. Do note that since there's only one point of contact with the table or other surface, there is potential for some play if there's vibration on the surface of whatever you've got this clamp to. If you're using a sturdy desk or work table, it shouldn't be much of an issue. The 244 RC is a super useful piece of gear, and once you get one, you're going to want more of them. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel.